Hello craft heroes! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, you learn how to read a crochet pattern. At the beginning of each tutorial video, we will explain which part we are crocheting and show the pattern for every round step by step on the screen. This way you can follow along easily while crocheting, even without the AER instructions. Please work one slip stitch at the end of each round, one chain stitch at the beginning of next round. Don't let this confuse you. The slip stitch neatly closes the round, and the chain stitch establishes the height to start the new one. Here are the abbreviations of the crochet patterns used. Shorthand, here are a few examples. SC equals single crochet. DEC equals decrease single crochet to stitches together. SL equals slip stitch. CH equals chain stitch. INC equals 2 single crochet in each stitch. HDC equals half double crochet. DC equals double crochet. HDC INC equals 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. DC INC equals 2 double crochet in the same stitch. TR equals treble crochet. SK equals skip 1 stitch. BLO equals work in the back loop only. FLO equals work in the front loop only. Now we will show you how to read the pattern. Take this line for example. Our 3 means in round 3. 2 SC, 1 ink means 2 single crochet, then 1 increase. This is one sequence. 6 means repeat the sequence 6 times. 24 means you will have 24 stitches at the end of this round. Key tip, it's an excellent habit for beginners to count the total stitches at the end of each round. This ensures accuracy and prevents the piece from becoming misshapen later. For the main part of the ghost, we need to crochet 1 piece and use white yarn. For round 1, we will need to start with magic ring and work 6 single crochet. For round 1, 6 stitches in total. For round 2, we need to work 6 increase 12 stitches in total. For round 3, we need to work 6 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 18 stitches in total. For round 4, we need to work 6 sequences of 2 single crochet, 1 increase, 24 stitches in total. For round 5, we need to work 24 single crochet, 24 stitches in total. For round 6, we need to work 4 sequences of 5 single crochet, 1 increase, 28 stitches in total. For round 7 to round 18, we need to work 28 single crochet every round, 28 stitches per round. After finishing round 18, fill stuffing into the main part. For round 19, work into back loops only. We need to work 7 sequences of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, 21 stitches in total. Cut the yarn to leave a 3-inch long tail, then use the yarn needle to sew and close the top opening. Use new white yarn. Start crocheting on front loops of round 18. Work 7 sequences of 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 single crochet. 28 stitches in total. For the feet, we need to start with magic ring and work 6 single crochet. For round 1, pull the ring tight, 6 stitches in total. For round 2, we need to work 2 single crochet, 2 increase, 2 single crochet, 8 stitches in total. Fill stuffing into the feet. Leave an 8-inch long yarn tail, then sew 2 feet symmetrically on to rounds 1 to 2 at the bottom of the main part. For the shawl, start with pink yarn. For round 1, make 37 chain stitches. Then work 35 double crochet starting from the 3rd stitch away from hook. 35 stitches in total. For round 2, we need to turn the piece over first and work 2 chain stitches that make 35 double crochet. 35 stitches in total. For round 3 to round 4, we need to change to orange yarn. Turn the piece over first and work 2 chain stitches that make 35 double crochet each round. 35 stitches in total for each round. For round 5 to round 6, we need to change to pink yarn. Turn the piece over first and work 2 chain stitches. Then make 35 double crochet each round. 35 stitches in total for each round. For round 7 to round 8, we need to change to orange yarn. Turn the piece over first and work 2 chain stitches. Then make 35 double crochet each round. 35 stitches in total for each round. Cut pink yarn and leave a 16-inch long tail, sew the shawl onto rounds 8 to 15 of the main part. For decorative stars, we need to embroidery stars using white yarn. For the eyes, we need to embroidery eyes on rounds 7 to 8 of the main part with black yarn. Understanding the pattern structure and stitch terms is the first step toward completing any crochet project. Now you can go back to your kit and crochet with much more confidence.